guys haven't seen the new tires I put on the back, I still got the original 14s on the front. Optimals. The back ones are pretty much shot, so we got a couple of Wrangler ATs. Something's got pretty good tread on them. They're, what are they? 225, 75, 16s, 16-inch rims. 14s on the front. I think the back ones are like 30 inches tall. Front ones are 26 or 27. Sits there at a pretty good angle. So, you know, sits at a pretty decent angle. This one's just as good. They were actually used tires, but they're like brand new. I think they had like 1,000 miles on them or something. That one's a little bit not quite as good, but when it spins, if it spins the right one, so we put this, it's a lot newer. It's a little bit over here. Well, they do pretty good in the mud, as you can see. I got mud sprayed everywhere. So, well, they are. Got her idled down pretty good. Alright, fellas, I don't know if you can hear me with all this rain, but this is why you Rain-X your windows right here. It's raining like a sieve. I don't even have the windshield wipers on. I can still half-ass fucking see. No windshield wipers, Rain-X on the side windows, I can see just fine, literally. That's why you Rain-X your windows right here. Everybody else is driving around with their windshield wipers on like 100% full speed. I don't even have mine on and I can see pretty much just fine. Fucking man.